Hi, my name is General Simon. My registration number is URK7 CS049. Now we are going to see the programs which is related to exceptions and templates. So this is the program for the exceptions. Here we are declaring a header file, and then here we are declaring a header file, and then we are creating a class called real estate, and afterwards we are declaring an variables integer, price, bed, bath, elevator, and floor. And then in the public we are getting void get data, and then we are printing the details of the real estate, and then we are giving the number of floors, number of elevators, number of bathrooms, and number of bedrooms, and enter the price of the real estate. So these are all the basic informations of the real estate. So this is the main step we are going to do. If price is less than or equal to 0, throw price is invalid. That means if the price is less than, that means if the price we are giving a negative coordinate, means then it should throw price is invalid. And then we are displaying the data of the data members which we are given in the get data, and then we are closing it, and then we are declaring an integer main, and then we are creating an object called real estate R, and then we are trying R dot get data and R dot display data. We are giving here because the price is in that get data function and display data function, the price is there. Then we are trying if price is less than 0. If it's less than 0 means it should show price is invalid. If it's greater than 0 means it should not show. And it's trying, and it should catch the constant character message. It should carry the constant character message, that is price is invalid. That character message should carry, and it should print that message. Here we are closing the program, and this is the end of the program. So now we are going to see the output of the program. And then you are asking it to print the real estate details. I am going to give the number of floors, a number of elevators, a number of bathrooms, a number of bedrooms, and it's asking the price, and I'm giving the price. I'm giving, and it's displaying the data. And then now I'm going to type for the another one. So here also we are giving a number of floors, a number of elevators, a number of bathrooms, a number of bedrooms, and we are giving a negative value here. It's showing price is invalid. So this is the function of the exceptions. Here the exceptions, three main characters, which is try, catch, and then throw. This is the three main functions of this is the end of the exception program. Now we are going to see the templates program. This is the templates first program we are going to see. We are giving a header file, and then we are giving hash include C string. C string is indicated as character string, and then we are giving an using space namespace std. For template we only give template and class T. Class T is indicates T means template, and then we are giving a function declaration here, void my function my fun and template of x, and then we are printing the x value which we are giving, and then we are giving an integer main, and then we are making the string of a, and it's asking it to enter the value, and we are entering the value, and then we are giving a function called my fun of a, and then we are returning the statement. While we are giving the value here, the value will go here and it will print the value here. So this is the program of the first. This is the program of the template, and now I am going to show you the output of the first program. So it's asking to enter the value. I am giving 5, so it's giving the value as 5. This is the end of the first program. Now we are going to see the another example on templates. This program we are second program we are going to see. This is the second program, which is based on employees details, and then here we are giving an header file, and then for the steps we have followed in the first program, we are giving a template class T, and then we are here giving a void my fun and template of x, and then we are giving a cout, and it's asking to print the value here, and then we are creating a class called employee, and then we are giving in the public we are giving string name and integer or integer num, int age, and employee we are giving an employee with an no arguments we have given here. We want to give name is equal to null and num is equal to 0 and age is equal to 0. We are assuming it to 0 to everything, and then we are giving a friend void operator o stream ampersand of o and employee ampersand of s. We are taking the employee object as s, and then o stream we are giving instead of cout we are going to use o. This we are using because the object, if we want to store an object in the cout and scene statement, means we want to use the friend void operator, and we want to give the o stream, and then we want ampersand of o, and then we want to give an employee and employee ampersand of s. This likewise we want to use. Then we want to get the value of the name, and we want to store the value number and store and age, and we want to store that value, and then we want to print those values. And then for this also we are getting the values friend void operator I stream ampersand of I and employee ampersand of s, and then here we are getting the data of name, number, and age. We are storing the values, and then we are closing, and we are giving an integer main, and then we are creating an object called employee, and then we are storing the value in scene of e. We are storing those values. So then afterwards we are giving a function called my fun of employee details we are giving here. Then we are printing that value cout of e, and then we are closing the function. This is the end of the second program. Now I am going to show you the output. So this is the second program. I am compiling it. It's showing no errors, so I am giving, it's asking the name, I am giving, and it's asking the number, I am giving 4, and it's asking age, I am giving, and here it's displaying the employee's detail, name and his ID number, and his age it's showing here. It's displaying here. So this is the basic concept of the templates. So this is the end of the program. Thank you.